Hello, Jason Smith, Titan Surfaces Vice President. Today I want to take the time to walk you through our lineup of WPCs. We're a firm believer of WPC, not only now with our current line, but what the WPC category, the future that it has to offer. And I would just like to take the time to walk you through and show you how we have a price point, a wear layer, a width, a color for every customer that may walk into your showroom, so that you can better understand how clean of a program we want to have, and again be able to offer a price point in the WPC in each category. I want to start with retro plank. Retro plank is a 5-inch wide, 60-inch long. It has a micro bevel. Some also know it as a kissed edge or an eased edge. This is actually, due to the name, is more of a throwback category for us, also entry level. Again, 5 inches wide, 60 inches long, 20 mil wear layer. It has a standard emboss. The 5-inch wide is going to give you more of a wood feel, just like the older days of a plank feel in a 5-inch wide. The color that we're featuring today here is golden oak. Reminds me a lot of the sand and finish days, how big of a stain color golden oak was. Obviously gives you some variation from plank to plank, some really good oak wood grain, a couple of knots with a little bit of filler. Again, this is a product, if you have somebody come into your showroom, they're looking for a priced aggressive WPC, retro plank definitely will fit that bill. Moving on, we have Epic. As we step up, Epic is going to step up several ways. One is it's a 7-inch wide as opposed to a 5-inch wide. It's 60 inches long. It has a painted bevel versus the micro bevel. Again, 20 mil wear layer. I look at the Epic line as a unique color line, as we do have a couple of exotics that we feature in it. So Palo is the color we're featuring today. It's also known as Brazilian Cherry or Jatoba. We feel like we definitely have to have some go-to red colors in our line to capture that customer that's looking for the traditional red. Anything in the red family is it's a timeless color. You can always go back to it. Again, it's a desired look from a color standpoint. This particular film really brings to life what the Brazilian Cherry and or Jatoba really look like. It's just such a great representation. And again, this is Epic, 7x60, 20 mil wear layer, painted bevel. We step on up now to Essentials. Essentials is a workhorse for Titan Surfaces. We sell a lot of Essentials. Great color line. I would say for the most part, more of a basic feel color line. Essentials is an 8mm, 9x60. So now you're getting the wider plank. Wider plank is going to give you apparent value. This also has a 22 mil wear layer versus the 20. Again, this does have painted bevel, but it is embossed and registered. So you're definitely going to feel the wood grain, the knots. And again, Caribbean Beach, the color here, more of a cleaner look. Caribbean Beach is the #1 color in our entire lineup. Again, Essentials is such a workhorse for us. 8 total colors in this lineup. And we continue to feel that this 8mm 9x60 category is probably the sweet spot in WPC. And we hope to continue to advance our color line and add to it in the near future. Again, Essentials. As we step up, we have Swanky. Swanky is the newest collection to our WPC. Swanky is a 7x60, does have a painted bevel. It is embossed and registered. We step up to a 28 mil wear layer on this product. We're about 3 weeks away from having inventory and samples to go in your wing displays and in your stackers. Again, Swanky, the mindset behind it, we needed something to slide in between Essentials and Colossal. This being a 28 mil wear layer, also having that heavier wear layer, but not in a 9-inch wide width, giving it more of the plank look in the 7-inch wide, which seems to be obviously a big width in the industry. This particular color is St. Croix. St. Croix is a maple look. Again, we want to bring every film to life with a true wood look, explain the mindset Behind the film selections, again, this is a cleaner, sleeker look. I love the maple wood grain that you get in this. This was a big color, big conversation for us at Surfaces. Swanky has a total of 6 colors that you're going to love that kind of touch all the color palettes. Finally, we move up to our Cadillac, which is Colossal. Colossal is a 12 millimeter thick product, also a nominal 1/2 inch. This product is going to be 9 inches wide. It's going to be 71 inches long. It is embossed and registered. It does have a painted bevel. One thing unique about this line is that I want to touch on is that we do have AB films in this. So essentially, most of the industry, if you have a 9-inch wide product, it's going to have a 4-plank unique pattern repeat. Then that is mirrored, and it becomes 8 total planks. Colossal actually has AB films. So you're going to find 8 unique planks. Then the pattern is going to be flipped, so it becomes a 16 total plank repeat. So that is one added bonus to Colossal, being our highest end product. Again, 30 mil wear layer. All right, and just to recap, so you have a 22 mil in Essentials, you step up to a 28 mil in Swanky, and then of course we top out at the 30 mil wear layer for Colossal. The color that we're featuring today is Tigress. It's the #1 color in this lineup. Does very well for us. Quickly, just want you to scan back down, take a look at the color lines in the collections. All right. Again, we feel like we have a WPC that will fit every price point. Anybody walking into your showroom, that they can go to their wing rack, all right, navigate the wing rack. We want to keep it simple at Titan Surfaces. We want you to be able to take our line, navigate it easily, take whatever customer walks into your showroom, put them in a product, don't let them get away from our rack, and offer them a unique color line that would fit every opportunity that they need, any type of design or decor that they're trying to put together. We're excited to get all these WPCs in your rack in the coming weeks, and looking forward to a strong 2026 in our WPC categories. Thank you.